The 12 pure vowels used in English from A to A. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme this and the symbol used to represent it. This symbol represents the phoneme A. The name of this phoneme is A. It is a short phoneme as there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme. I have done it using my tongue. At the beginning of the syllable, A, B, O, U, T, A. If, ow, bow, it, about. A, G, A, I, N, A. If, A, G, in, again. A, M, O, N, G, A. Im, A, ma, in, mong, among. A, P, A, R, T, A. If, A, pa, it, apart. I, S, S, A, I, L, A. Is, A, ill, aside. To the middle of the syllable, A, P, P, L, E, A. If, A, pa, ill, apple. B, L, A, C, K, E, N. If, L, A, bla. If, A, ka, in, can, blacken. V, E, E, V, E, N. It, E, D. If, A, pa, in, pen, deepen. Goodness. If you go it good. Na is ness. Goodness. The end of the syllable. Actor. Act. Actor. Border. It o. It and border. Corner. It o. It and corner. Doctor. It o do it dog. It at doctor. Lawer. Ill or law. Lawyer. Teacher. Each chair. Teacher. Generally the letters A, E, L, E, R, O, R represent this phoneme.